How to hide all photos on Facebook from public. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can hide all photos on Facebook from public, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to hide photos on Facebook from public, you can just try opening the Facebook application here, and once you launch the Facebook app you will see this type of interface where you want to make sure to come to your profile icon. Now instead of going through all, you can go through them each one. So let's say I want to make this private and hide from public. I can tap the three dots option, and then I can just tap this option over here known as edit privacy, and then I can just set this to only me. When I set this to only me, only I will be able to view it, right? Otherwise I will not be able to view it. Now other than that, you can go through them one after another. The easiest way, you can also, let's say you want to hide from public and not from the people that you are friends with. In that case, the easiest way to do is to simply lock your profile. When you lock your profile, only people who are friends with you will be able to view the photos and not the people who are not friends with you. So you can tap the three dots option here, tap on this lock profile. In my case it's already locked, so you're seeing unlock, but if you haven't locked it, you can just try to lock that profile to make your account private. Now let's say you don't want even to see it from your friends. As I said, you can do one method, that is by doing the only me option, or you can go to three lines option, tap on the gear icon here, and then just go to this option called privacy checkup, and then go to who can see what you share, then tap on continue, tap on next. Right here you can set default audience for posts and stories. You can of course set this to only me. After that, you can see stories, you can also set that to only me. Tap on next, and then you should be able to figure out a list of other options here. This way you'll be able to hide all photos on Facebook from public. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.